hey, Kevin, take a second.
This is okay. You can laugh. It's good.
Oh, it's like the old Carol Burnett show.
Yes.
Yeah. So I also got...
Kevin, take us to our next story.
I got this one also from CBN. Attacks on Peace Cross would unleash a gay sex bulldozer with...
Yes! Hold on. Please. Start over. Where's this from?
Attacks on what?
What website is this?
No,
It's Christian Bracket.
Okay, good.
He's pulling our leg.
Yeah. I said I'd put gay sex in there somewhere.
Okay.
You'll find a place to insert it.
Okay, I'm good. Attacks on Peace Cross would unleash a bulldozer which would run from coast to coast.
What is Peace Cross?
The Peace Cross is a monument that I'm about to get to.
It's differentiated from the War Cross.
Yeah.
Okay.
I think it's also, we put another word besides cross there, so now we get to keep it, right? That's how the law works?
Oh, that's exactly how it's going to work.
Have you seen the passive-aggressive cross? It's made out of Post-it notes. It's fucking... Oh. Anyway, go ahead.
The nation's largest wartime veteran service organization is fighting for a renowned veterans memorial at the Supreme Court. First Liberty Institute is helping the American Legion. God, those are Orwellian.
They really are.
As it fights to preserve a 93-year-old cross memorial in Bladensburg, Maryland, after the lower court found the memorial to be unconstitutional. The Legion posted on Twitter saying, quote, "When our brothers at the American Legion erected this memorial in 1925, it was to prevent all of us from forgetting something we cannot see. The service and sacrifice of those who died defending freedom." The lower court said that the memorial violates the Constitution's stance on separation of church and state. The judges of that federal appeals court stated the cross, quote, "has the primary effect of endorsing religion and excessively entangles the government in religion." I tend to agree. It is a 40-foot tall
I think it's just a monument
cement cross
to right angles and intersections. So
is it okay to put up a 40-foot menorah next to it? I mean, if it's okay to do that, then I don't see a problem.
Yeah, basically...
Go on about our brothers at the Legion.
Yeah,
because that sounds...
The American Legion.
Yeah.
Officials who want to preserve the memorial inform the Supreme Court the monument conveys a, quote, secular message of remembrance of lives lost. Yes, the 40-foot cross conveys a secular message.
Yeah,
it's the secular message of Christians died because of Jesus. Like, where's the... No.
Yeah, and it's well, the thing is, it has a little plaque, and it's got a bunch of names of a bunch of soldiers who died.
Cool. That's the secular part.
That's good.
Yeah, that's also assuming that every single person on that list is a Christian that would be totally cool with that.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, I'm still stuck on Peace Cross. I know you've moved past it, but really, viewers, what we need...
Oh, Lord.
What we need is fan art submissions of not peace crosses. Honestly.
Anger crosses.
I want to see anger crosses. I want to see belligerent crosses. I want to see mildly annoyed crosses, right?
The gay sex cross.
Oh, the horny crosses, right? The constipated cross. Really, let's kind of dig into this.
The silently judging cross.
Oh, well, no, aren't they all, right? Aren't they all?
I'm just picturing it with, like, cartoon eyes.
Right, just... Right. Yeah.
Right. So,
go on.
Yeah. What else you got?
Kevin? It was someone said, I think it was from the First Liberty Institute, said if the other side were successful in this lawsuit, what that would mean would unleash a bulldozer which would run from coast to coast, just demolishing
everything, all of the things.
If it crosses, I mean,
maybe it can hit some Civil War memorials on the way.
Well, that claim is obviously a slippery slope fallacy there, obviously. But
if it
A
were true,
little bit, yeah.
I mean,
if it were true, I would love the montage of each of us dressed up as Uncle Sam, taking a turn, going across these great plains.
It's so
fucking
demolishing. It's so disingenuous.
That cross
though.
goes down.
we're driving. We're driving on a bulldozer. The theme from the A-Team is playing in the background.
Yes, with Denis with the cigar.
Oh my
God, I love it.
Yeah.
do smash.
So that's super disingenuous. A lot of memorials, a lot of crosses have been taken down. That does not necessarily mean that we're going to run bulldozers from coast to coast.
Right.
Pretty fucking stupid.
Yep.
And actually, we know about this because the American Humanist Association has taken them to court. And
How fucking time.
I love the last sentence of this article because it is a CBN story. They say because this organization,
What is it? Is it American Legion or?
Yeah, the American Legion. They put up a number of other memorials, but those weren't giant crosses.
Right.
And they said the American Humanist Association claims they are only concerned about the cross memorial.
Right.
No shit. Oh, are you sure they don't just hate America?
That's right. They just hate the veterans, guys.
Fucking Christ.
First it's the cross memorials, then it's all the rest of them.
Yeah. First they come for the cross memorials, and I did nothing because it was unconstitutional for us to put them up. And then they came for the other memorials, and I protested, and it was fine because we all know American history. All right.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
That didn't end the way you expect.
Yeah.
Twist ending.
Yeah. So...